Hello students, welcome to your channel Sukh EduWorld. Today we will solve next 10 questions of this question paper, okay? And remaining questions I'll try to cover in in one or two video, okay? So maybe two videos I'll upload before this evening, and I'll try to cover all the questions, all the remaining questions in that videos. So you have to wait just for 2 to 3 hours, okay? And in this video I'll cover these 10 questions from 111 to 120, okay? So in this question they are saying carbons repel water or oil due to. So four options they are providing you: low surface tension, high surface tension, low chemical stability, low thermodynamic stability. So out of these four options your correct answer is A, which is low surface tension, okay? So this is a special property of fluorocarbons. So due to this property, actually this property make them highly effective in creating hydrophobic and oleophobic surfaces. Hydrophobic and oleophobic surfaces. Okay, so due to which fluorocarbons repel water or oil. Okay, so A option is your correct answer. In the next question, the catalyst used to reduce unsaturated hydrocarbons with triple bond to double bond by hydrogenation. So out of four options your correct answer is Lindlar's catalyst. So this is a special catalyst, a palladium containing catalyst, okay? So this is specifically used for the selective hydrogenation of alkynes to alkenes. Clear? So it effectively stops the reaction at the alkene stage, making it a crucial tool, okay, in organic synthesis. So using Lindlar catalyst you can convert a triple bond to double bond. Okay, so you can say alkynes converted into alkenes. So actually Lindlar catalyst yeah, in this is a actually it is a heterogeneous catalyst, Lindlar catalyst, okay? So in this palladium is spotted onto the surface of calcium carbonate, and actually palladium chloride is treated with a mixture of calcium chloride, calcium carbonate and palladium acetate, okay? And after this catalyst is poisoned with quinoline, and you can check its synthesis also. So Lindlar catalyst is correct answer of this question. In the next question, which of the following adsorption isotherm shows that there is a capillary condensation of benzene on silica gel at 50 degrees Celsius? So they are providing you these four graphs, okay? And out of these your correct answer is C option, okay? C option. So this is a type 4 adsorption isotherm. Type 4 adsorption, it is a characteristic of mesoporous materials and show capillary condensation occurring at relative pressure lower than the saturation pressure, okay? So this is your saturation pressure, P naught, saturation pressure, okay? So this is typically for adsorbents like silica gel, where the adsorption of benzene can exhibit capillary condensation at around 50 degrees Celsius. So it involves adsorption, yes. So there is capillary condensation of benzene on silica gel, and silica gel is a mesoporous material, so it will provide you type 4 adsorption isotherm. So C option is your correct answer. In the next question, identify the class of organic compound formed during the nucleophilic substitution reaction between alkyl halide and silver nitrate. So in this case, obviously, from this you will get silver positive and nitrite ion, okay? And in the other case, From alkyl halide you will get R positive, X negative. Okay, so this nitrite ion will act as a nucleophile and will attach with this alkyl R positive. So you will get RNO2, okay, which is nitroalkane. So D option is your correct answer. In the next question, an organic solvent is made by passing a mixture of carbon disulfide vapor and chlorine through a red hot porcelain tube. Name the solvent. So your correct answer is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so when a mixture of carbon disulfide, okay, vapor and chlorine is passed through a red hot porcelain tube, okay, in that case there will be a exchange of this disulfide, okay, S2 group of this CS2 by chlorine. So you will see CCl4, formation of CCl4. So carbon tetrachloride is correct option. In the next question, how many protons weigh 1 gram? Okay, so mass of single proton. So mass of single proton is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. And if you want to find the number of protons, okay, how many number of protons? If you want to find the number of protons, obviously, and you want to check the number of protons in 1 gram, and in that case you have to divide mass of one proton, okay, which is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. Okay, you have to divide it by total weight, which is 1 gram. Okay, so from which you will calculate, after calculating you will get 5.99 into 10 raised to power 23, so which is very close to 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. So which is typically an Avogadro number commonly used in chemistry, okay, just to represent the number of particles in 1 mole of a substance. So in this case your correct answer is B option. So you will tick this question, okay, option. In the next question, from de Broglie relationship, it was concluded that first is kinetic energy of de Broglie electron of wavelength this. So they are mentioning you kinetic energy, and don't get confused with these two lambda. So they are just representing kinetic energy. This is large lambda, this is small, okay, small lambda. So this is kinetic energy. So this is a correct relation. Okay, second is de Broglie relationship. Okay, so it was derived from the observation of G-man and Stark effect. So this is incorrect option, wrong option. Okay, next, number of de Broglie waves formed in one complete revolution in fifth Bohr's orbit is equal to 5. So this option is also correct. Okay, so actually according to de Broglie hypothesis and Bohr's quantization condition, an integer number of a de Broglie wavelength must fit into circumference of the orbit. So for the fifth orbit, it would indeed be 5 de Broglie wavelengths. So third statement is also correct, and at the end you have to mention correct statements in your answer. And fourth statement is de Broglie wavelength of an electron accelerated from rest by a potential difference this. So this option is also correct. Okay, so your correct option statements are first, third and fourth, and this is in A option. So A option is the correct answer in this question. In the next question, name the first member of homologous series of the ketone. So first member of homologous series of the ketone. So obviously its answer is propanone. Okay, so propanone also known as acetone. So you know that it involves just two R group, two methyl groups around the carbonyl group. So this is simplest ketone. Okay, simplest ketone, which is propanone, acetone. So B option is your correct answer. In the next question, which among the following is not related to high pressure liquid chromatography HPLC technique? First is HPLC, so you have to mention not related to. Okay, so first is HPLC is done in column, so this is correct option. Okay, second is this technique is highly sensitive, this is also correct option. Third is it is used in quantitative determination of plasma level of drug. Yes, this is also correct. So it means you have to mention not related, in may be D is your answer. So fourth is temperature need not be constant for consistent results. Okay, so this is incorrect option and it is not related with HPLC. So you have to mention not related, it means D is your correct answer. Okay, D is your correct answer. So in high pressure liquid chromatography, actually maintaining a constant temperature is essential, okay, for consistent and accurate results. So any variation in temperature can affect the retention time and separation efficiency. Okay, for of the analytes, so that lead to inconsistency and you will get unreliable results. So temperature plays an important role, so D is your correct answer. In the last question, crystal radii of for noble gases in the solid state are actually, first is van der Waals radii, second is ion dipole force, hydrogen bonding, ionic bond. So out of four options, your correct answer is A option, which is van der Waals radii. So for noble gases in the solid state, crystal radii are determined by the van der Waals radii because these atoms, you know that these are not bonded to each other in the conventional sense. Okay, so instead they are held together by weak van der Waals forces, which are the only significant intermolecular forces present in noble gases. So that's why you will take van der Waals radii as your correct answer in this question. Okay, so remaining questions I'll try to cover in one or two video, and I'll upload that video shortly. So you have to wait for that, and thank you very much.